Today we're going to learn about converting one rate to an equivalent rate by multiplying by a unit ratio or its reciprocal. In other words, we're going to talk about what dimensional analysis is. So the first problem that we have says a remote control car travels at a rate of 10 feet per second. How many inches per second is this? So dimensional analysis is essentially just taking one unit rate and changing it to another. So we have 10 feet per second, so that's 1 second, and we want to know how many inches per second this is going to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply, and we want inches on the top and feet on the bottom. If we have feet on the bottom, then we can cancel these two out. So we have 1 foot is the same as 12 inches. So we can cancel out these units. And then we've got 10 times 12 is 120. And then 1 times 1 is 1. And we crossed feet out, so the only variable on the top is inches. And then on the bottom we crossed feet off, so we have seconds. So our answer is going to be 120 inches per 1 second. Now that is what we call single dimensional analysis. Now we're going to look at double dimensional analysis. So the average speed of one team in a relay race is about 10 miles per hour. What is this speed in feet per second? So in our original problem, we have 10 miles per 1 hour. But we're not going from miles to feet, we're going from miles to feet and hours to second. So we're going to do a single dimensional analysis, and we're going to multiply and get rid of the miles. So we want miles on the bottom so that we can cancel. And we've got feet on the top. So we've got 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. We cancel off these miles and then we multiply across. So we get 52,800 feet over 1 hour. And then we have to do it a second time because this is feet per hour and we want feet per second. So in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. And in 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. So to find out how many seconds are in an hour, we multiply 60 minutes times 60 seconds, and we get 3,600 seconds. So we'll take our second fraction that we just found out, 52,800 feet per 1 hour, and we're going to multiply it, put hours on the top and seconds on the bottom. We want 1 hour on the top. We'll have 3,600 seconds on the bottom. These hours are going to cancel. And then we get 52,800 feet over 3,600 seconds. And then we can divide, and we should get 14.7 feet per second.